Chapter 7 Storytelling with Scratch. Objectives. After completion of this lesson, students will be able to open Scratch, add a backdrop to the stage, add and code sprites using code blocks, identify basic coding blocks, handle simple events, play music notes with different musical instruments. Dear students, we all love telling stories, watching animations, and playing games. In this chapter, we shall learn about Scratch, an amazing tool to create our own stories and simple animations with the help of coding blocks. You are already familiar with coding blocks, so learning Scratch will be easier for you. What do you need to tell a story? To tell any story, you need the following: a story, characters for your story, some music and sound, some animation. Other things that you need for storytelling in Scratch are stage on which story will play, mouse and keyboard to run your story, collections of characters and sounds. In Scratch, the characters of your story are called sprites. For example, some of the sprites are shown here. Sprites can be added to your story from Sprites Library. You can place your sprites on the stage to create your story. The stage is white in color. See how a large dino, a smaller elephant, and a tiny cat are placed on the stage. Let us begin with Scratch and explore the magic. Working with Scratch. You can work with Scratch online by going to https://scratch.mit.edu/project/editor/?tutorial=get started, or you can download an offline version of Scratch 3 from https://scratch.mit.edu/download. Opening Scratch. Windows 10, Start button, Scratch 3. Windows 11, Start button, All apps, Scratch 3. The Scratch window will look like this: menu bar, coding blocks, coding area, sprite properties, stage, sprite. Let us explore Scratch. Let us try some little stories and explore the features of Scratch. We need to delete the cat sprite, sprite 1. To do this, look at the bottom of the stage. Select the icon of the cat sprite and click on the cross. The sprite will be deleted. Now the stage is empty. Let us make a sprite fly over the ocean and a city. Below the stage, look at the stage section. There, click on 1. In the backdrop library, select City with Water, backdrop. 2. Below the stage, click on Choose a Sprite button. 3. In the Sprite library, select Aemon. 4. With the help of mouse, place Aemon as shown here. Our friend Aemon is ready to fly. Let us use the power of coding to give him the superpower of flying. Let us see how we add code to a sprite. Here, our friend Aemon. When we click on Aemon, he will fly off over the ocean. Look at the left-hand side of the Scratch window. You will notice some colored circles. These are the categories of various blocks which we drag-drop in the code window and arrange them to create code for the sprite. Let us code for Aemon. 5. Click on Event Circle. 6. Select and drag when the sprite clicked block. 7. Drop when this sprite clicked block into the code area. 8. Similarly, drag drop glide sex to X coordinate, Y coordinate block from motion circle right below the when this sprite. 9. Set seconds to 1, X to 160 and Y to 200. 10. Click on Aemon. Notice Aemon's current location on stage is X equal to -140 and Y equal to -96. 11. Aemon will fly off over the ocean. Notice, now Aemon's location is changed to X equal to -160 and Y equal to 200. Remember, center of the stage is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Eamon moved here. X decreases as we go left. Y decreases as we go down.